A judge will not delay or move the trial of former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin, who's charged in the death of George Floyd. This comes as the 13th juror was seated today, a woman who said she only had seen clips of the video of Floyd's arrest and needs to learn more about what happened beforehand. So far, the jury is made up of 8 women, 5 men. The judge says up to 3 more jurors will be chosen. And tonight, News Nation's Brian Entin has the latest.
Despite multiple requests to delay the trial by Derek Chauvin's defense team, Judge Peter Cahill made it official Friday. The former officer's trial for the death of George Floyd will not be put off and will go on as planned.
Unfortunately, I think the pretrial publicity in this case will continue no matter how long we continue it.
The defense also requested to move the trial out of Minneapolis because of all the media attention and the impact on jurors. The situation became especially complicated when the city of Minneapolis publicly settled with the Floyd family for $27 million during jury selection. Despite being outwardly frustrated by that, the judge said the trial will stay in Minneapolis.
And as far as change of venue, I do not think that that would give the defendant any kind of a fair trial beyond what we are doing here today. I don't think there's any place in the state of Minnesota that has not been subjected to extreme amounts of publicity on this case.
Judge Cahill also decided on Friday to allow parts of the body camera video from Floyd's May 2019 arrest to be shown to the jury. That arrest came about a year before Floyd's fatal encounter with Chauvin. Police say Floyd panicked and swallowed several opioid painkiller pills as police approached him.
The whole point here is we have medical evidence on what happens when Mr. Floyd is faced with virtually the same situation. Confrontation by police at gunpoint, followed by a rapid ingestion of some drugs. We don't know exactly how many, but there was an admission that he had done it at the time of the stop.
Opening arguments in the trial are scheduled to begin 1 week from Monday on March 29th. In Minneapolis, Brian Entin, News Nation.